your vehicles and Rippa Group. Today I will introduce you our R322L mini excavator to you. If you often follow us, you may know something about it. The video shows you how the most beautiful green color. You can also customize the color according to your preference, like yellow, red, etc. We use herringbone trucks, which will be more stable when working. The working weight of R322 is 1.5 tons. It is equipped with a Kubota engine that can provide sufficient power. It adapts to hydraulic current control to make the operation more sensitive and the movement more coordinated. It is standardly equipped with full telescopic and boom-side swing function. With our tailless design, it is simply the only choice for narrow space operations. R322 adapts an oil cylinder mounted on top, which can better protect our cylinder from breaking during work. Now let's go out and do some digging to test the performance of this machine.
When we encounter such a narrow path, we can use the stretch function of the crawler. Just like this, the crawler strengthens and narrows, making it easy to pass through the narrow space. When space allows, we can also extend the crawler tracks to make the machine more stable. Of course, you need to adjust this according to the working environment. Many customers will ask for cabs and air conditioners to be installed more comfortably during construction. We can meet these requirements.
Due to the hot weather, we switched to an excavator with cab for the operation.
The control of the machine arm is on the right handle, forward or backward. The control of the bucket is also on the right handle, inward or outward. The control of the machine arm is on the left handle, forward or backward. The control of machine body rotation is also on the left handle, inward or outward. The side swing function of the big arm is controlled by the foot pedal, so that it can swing left and right. For the track stretch function, we need to press the button first and then operate the small handle on the left-hand side. Okay, these are the basic operations of this mini excavator. Let's do some actual operation.
Okay, then you can see that this is a very good machine. You can customize the breaker, wood grabber, rake, and other accessories to achieve multiple uses for one machine. If you are interested in this machine, please leave me a message. That's all today. Thank you for watching.